So in this Robinhood tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how to buy SushiSwap crypto here on Robinhood. So once Robinhood's opened up, go to the bottom in the middle and select the magnifying glass. Once you're here at the top, search by name or symbol. Just go ahead and start typing in sushi and then press it. So once SushiSwap is selected, just go to the bottom here and press buy. Then type in the amount of SushiSwap that you want to purchase. So if you wanted to do $6 worth, you type in 6 as an example, and then just press on review. Then once you're here, you can review the amount of SushiSwap that you're buying, the fees, and the total cost. And if this looks good, you can go to the bottom and swipe up to submit the order. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to buy SushiSwap crypto here on Robinhood. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this helps.